mo dun.
Ha?
Baga mo dun.
It's JRU versus Arellano Law. First LNCAA. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First five on Arellano. One get up. First five on JRU.
Sino mo sa loob? Hindi ko lalay ba?
Hindi, yung una, trend.
First five on JRU Montoya. Alak. Pilarca. Primo. And Anderson. First five on Luis Malyare. Alubigan. Hirap kasi Alubigan. Warning on JRU for the lane game.
Pinag-aagawan ng sapatos sa kampanya.
First position of JRU, Alak. Stasyon na Luwigan. Inbounding Anderson. To Mabi, Napogi. Alak. To Montoya, long three. First basket to Montoya, top short. Rebound on Arellano. It's foul. Foul on number 5 on Lou. First on Aluwigan. First team foul on Arellano. Now 1-0.
10 minutes pa.
Now 2-1. It's 1 point lead on Arellano. Nice pass. Mabi Napogi. Kick out pass to Anderson. Anderson too strong. Rebound on Arellano. Now Rodonio. It's now low. Pull on jump. Yes, now 4-1. It's 3 point lead on Arellano. Mabi. Drive. Yes, on Mabi. It's 3-4. 1 point lead on Arellano. Malyari. 14 to shoot. Rebound ng Pasco. It's foul. Foul on Montoya. First on Montoya. First team foul on JRU. Seven minutes and 43 seconds. Rebound by Alak. Looking for Pilarca. Mabi Napogi. Skate pass to Montoya. In and out. Rebound on Ordonio. Alubigan. It's troubling violation.
Balik!
7 minutes and 15. It's 4 against 3. All by Arellano. Now Alak. Looking for. Back to Alak. For 3. In and out. 3 pa ng Pascua. Now. Hinto. Guard by Anderson. Hinto drive. Post to post by Hinto. Short. Rebound. On Lalawigan. 14 na siya sa clock. Hinto. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Anderson. First on Anderson, second on JRU. 14 na siya sa clock. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Hinto, Tumalyare, too strong. Rebound again by Alak. Alak is steal by Ordonio. Looking for Hinto. Back to Ordonio. Open jump. Short top. Alian. Hinto again. Yes, and even now 6-3. 3-point lead on Arellano. Steal again on Arellano. Malyare drive. Malyare. 8 against 3. It's 5-point lead back to Arellano.
Sige.
Now Murray. Kick on pass to Kilarga. Back to Alak. Alak to Montoya. Montoya favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound again by Arellano. Now Malyare. Open jump. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound on Pascua. Olvigan. Man! Time out! On GRU, now our score is 10 against 3, all by Arellano. And this time out is brought to you by Basketballista Tui. And the Inkers, Abu Dhabi. And our referee for tonight, referee Apatan. And referee Mana Rom. 5 minutes and 16 seconds.
Mike, may laro bukas sa amin? Nagalon. May gabi dia. Alam mo, underway.
Kita.
Steal again on Pascua. Now Ordonio, 1-on-1 by Montoya. Ordonio, guarded by 3. Ordonio to Alak. Alak looking for Mavi. It's Mavi the Pogi. Now 5 against 10. It's 5-point lead on Arellano. Now Alugan, guarded by Alak. Drive, goal to goal. Alugan, nice defense. It's GRU ball, GRU. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Alak. Looking for Anderson. Anderson time. Too strong. Gimbal by Hinto. Now Alugan is 3-on-2. 2-on-2. Alugan, nice pass to Pascua. Pascua drive. Pascua. Bang! On Pascua. 12 time.
Nice.
It's same ball.
Oh, well, the breaks.
Tingnan mo nag-charge ko yung pula hindi. Pula hindi. Nag-charge. Ikaw ang lubatay. Hindi.
Nakaret.
Nag-charge.
Now, Luwigan again. Guarded by Anderson. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ordonio. Pascua. Malyare. Short. Pascua again. Rebound on Alak. To Mavi the Pogi. It's Mavi the Pogi now. 3-on-1. 3-on-2. Looking for Montoya. Bang! On Montoya. In and out of Montoya. Now Malyare. Pascua. To Malyare. Too strong. Now Alak. It's Alak now. Alak to still may mangyari. Ordonio was there. Ordonio, 3 minutes. It's 3-on-1. Looking for Hindo. 3-on-1 again. Looking for Ordonio. Yes or no, Ordonio. Now 14-5. It's 9.3 on Arellano. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Now Montoya.
Nice one, Anthony.
Nice pass. Still again by Pasqua. It's Pasqua to Alugan now. Drive, move, nice to Pasqua. Looking for Hinto. Malyari, time to shoot. 3-second violation on Pasqua. Time out. Oh, Arellano. It's time out is brought to you by Chewy. Basketballista. The Inkers. Delta, Motivation, and Armos Fundamentals. Only 9-point lead against Arellano. 14 against 5. Now Mavi the Pogi. Khalil by Ordonio. Kick and pass on Toya. Montoya again. Too strong by Montoya. Rebound on Pasqua. Ordonio. 2 minutes and 15. Steal on Anderson. It's 2-1. Rubbling violation on Anderson. 2 minutes.
Louie, tulungan mo nga sila dyan sa taas. Dyan ka sa taas dyan. Joe, tanggap Joe. Bola Joe.
Now Hinto. To Pasqua. 14 to shoot. 10. Malyari. Bang! On Malyari. Now Mavi. 1-1 is get by Mavi. 7-16. It's 9-point lead on Arellano. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Baba na, baba. Wag. Tuloy.
Oh, Montoya. Pina natin yung laro to. It's foul. Foul on Malyari. Second team foul on Arellano. First on Malyari. It's 1 minute and 17 seconds. Anderson, too strong, top. Rebound on Pasqua. It's Pasqua, top. Looking for Ordonio. 1-1 by Ordonio. Looking for Hinto. Yes, on into 18. Again to 7. Back to 11 point lead on Arellano. Mavi. 1-1 against Hinto. Nice move. Looking for Alak top. Now Pilarca. Peaceful top to Anderson. Open jumper Anderson. Airball. Montoya. 5 to shoot.
Box out, Joe. Box out.
Too strong and rebound on Pasqua. 40 seconds. Malyari. Too strong. Rebound by Alugan. Oh, 20-7. It's 25 seconds. Montoya. In and out again by Montoya. It's Pasqua to Malyari. Malyari too strong. Top to Pilarca. 10 seconds. Go! 7 seconds. 7. Five. And now for our first quarter, our score 20 against 7. It's 13-point lead on Arellano. Second quarter, ready up, second quarter.
May plus pa. Huh?
Senior. 55 senior.
Second quarter. Now, Bora. Bora, hook shot. Bora, yes on Bora, 22. Against 27, all by Arellano. Now Mipi. Looking for Sergeant Primo. De La Cruz. De La Cruz is foul. Foul on number 12 on Arellano.
Number 10.
12 Castillo.
Person Castillo. First team foul, Arellano. 2 free throw shots for De La Cruz. Now 8 against the 22. In and out, the rebound on Castillo. Baseball pass. 1-1, intercepted by Mipi now. It's DRU, midfield drive, looking for Sergeant Primo. Calling by Bora. Crooks, the favorite shot by Crooks. Now 10-22. It's 12-point lead on Arellano.
Napakalapit to Ariel. Get that bird.
Now 1-1. Cagnolola, pass to the bang! 24 against 10. It's 14-point lead on Arellano. Now Mipi. To De La Cruz. Nice pick. De La Cruz drive. De La Cruz again short. Rebound on De La Cruz. De La Cruz open jump. Short top. It's De La Cruz again. Cruz by De La Cruz. Rebound on Castillo. Now Bora. It's 1-1. Looking out there. Nice foul. Foul on number 20 on Crooks. First team foul against GRU. 2 free throw shots for Cagnolola. Now 25-15. It's 15-point lead Arellano. Now Sergeant Primo. Castillo. And De La Cruz. Nice. Still again to Castillo. Nice defense on Sergeant Primo. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 25 against the 15 on 15-point lead on Arellano. Now Escobar intercepted. And that is foul. Foul on Escobar. First on Escobar. Second team foul on JRU. It's 7 minutes and 19 seconds. It's troubling violation. Troubling. 7 minutes. Angpi looking for Sergeant Primo. Nice pick. Sergeant Primo is foul. Foul on number 8 on Arellano. Second team foul on Arellano. First on Bora. Escobar looking for Mipi. Too strong again. It's Castillo. Castillo to Bora looking for Renal. What a pass! Down 27 against 10. It's 17-point lead on Arellano. Nice steal again. It's taken steal by Arellano. Yes, 29. Timeout on JRU. It's 29 against 10. 19-point lead on Arellano.
Kunyari, ba't ka mag-score?
Bigay mo na lang. Spacing mo.
And timeout brought to you by Dewey. The Anchors, Basketballista, and Adalpos, Abu Dhabi. It's an 8-0 run coming from Arellano. 29 against the 10.
Pao, dito mo, Pao.
It's foul. Foul on number 42 on Arellano. It's third team foul against Arellano. First.
Lagyan yung Pao.
Now 10 to shoot. Crooks. Drive. Bang! On Crooks. All 4.5 Crooks is 12 against 29. It's 17-point lead on Arellano.
Ipit yung gitna.
Nice play. Nice defense again by Crooks. To Esquivel. Looking for De La Cruz. 1-and-1. De La Cruz drive. De La Cruz shot. Rebound by Esquivel. 14 seconds sa clock. Crooks fake. Foul. Lagyan ng number 8 on Bora. Second on Bora.
Third.
Warning for penalty on Arellano. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Oh.
Meron na?
Wala ako sa i-remove ko ko doon.
Bakit?
Bago.
Meron na, ba't i-remove?
Tingnan mo, wala ako.
Meron ka
Sige
doon.
na, Bart. Kailangan, nice.
5 minutes.
Ba't mo naman kasi nililim? Siya ang team leader.
Bang! Oh, Milvin, now 15. Against the 29. It's 14-point lead on Arellano. It's rumbling violation by Arellano. Time out. On Arellano, this time on this opportunity by Tui. Basketballista. And
Ba't nawala ka sa group na Chard? Kaya nga, ba't nawala ka doon? Sino tanggal? Basta meron ka kayo bukas. Kung ano yun, wala nang papalitan. Ba't mo alam may...
Hindi, sinabi lang sa akin ni Rodan. Pakita mo doon.
Kaya ipinos ko eh. Yun mo kasi wala. Ba't wala ka?
Mic pa talaga.
29 to 15. Ismael. Looking for Crooks. Favorite shot. Bang! All points. Coming from Crooks. It's 17 to 29. 12-point lead. Arellano. 14 to shoot. 4 minutes. 10 to shoot. Pinanola. Nice defense by De La Cruz. Nice block again by Esquivel. It's foul. Penalty red. Foul on Castillo. Second on Castillo.
Penalty.
Warning for penalty now on Arellano. Over the limit on Arellano.
Kahit isa lang Primaw.
Now 18 against the 29. It's 11-point lead. 1-12 by Arellano. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now 19 to 29. 10-point lead. Arellano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! It's 32 against 19. Warning on Arellano for delaying the game. Both teams now have warning on delaying the games. Now Crooks looking for Escobel. Oh, Escobel! 21-32. 11-point lead on Arellano. SB! Black by De La Cruz! 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Kabila.
Now De La Cruz pa.
Number 8.
Foul on number 8 on Borra. Third on Borra. Penalty on number 7. 27.
Kanya Lola.
Kanyalola, 47. Second on Kanyalola. It's 32-21. 11-point lead on Arellano. Coming down again by Escobel. Bang! On Escobel! 32-23. 9-point lead on Arellano. Borra. Castillo. It's troubling violation. Nice defense on Sergeant Primo. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Namimpi. Crooks time. In and out by Crooks. Rebound on Castillo. Mimpi there. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Lempi now.
Too strong. It's foul. Foul on Escobel. It's 13 foul on JRU.
Escobel second.
Second on Escobel. Bang! C3 point shot now, 35 against 223. Second free gets out by Arellano.
Mandaluyong.
Crooks! Mimpi! He's stealing it again. Hey! Foul! Foul on Castillo. Third on Castillo. Now Arellano and penalty. Number 29.
Ang naka-foul? 29.
Now 24-35. Back to 9-point lead on 11-point lead on Arellano. (25 to 35). 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 38 to 25. 30 seconds. Escobel. Top. Escobel again. 20 seconds. Borja. It's foul. Foul on De La Cruz. Warning for penalty on JRU. Fourteen seconds, 14. 39 against 25. 14-point lead Arellano. 10 seconds. And now for second quarter, 39 to 27 score. 12-point lead on Arellano.
Oh, bawas tayo.
natin.
Bilis yung oras na yun.
Yan, sige.
Richard, siyempre alam mo yun. Last kaya, next game sir. Wala mo na tayong laro. Unless di magbayad ha. Wala tayong laro. Last game nito.
Sir, ilan po sila kanina, sir?
Ilan kayo? 11? 11 kayo? O, 12. Dalawa dyan. Di pwede palitan. Dalawa.
Sana yung madam, sa yung class type?
Wala set 10 points. 10 players na tayo.
Play man sila.
Okay, play tayo. Add lang tayo pag kulang 10.
It's Mavi. Anderson, drive. Still on Liklikan. I like ah. Too strong, Mavi na pogi. All on number 14 on Arellano. First, on number 14 on Arellano. Two free throw shot coming from De La Cruz.
Basket ka?
Counter rep. 49-28. Rebound. On De Silva. Nice defense on De La Cruz. It's 39-28. 11-point lead on Arellano. Lalaika. 14 to shoot. 10. It's traveling violation on Lalaika. Turnover again on JRU.
Dom, taas!
Still by Montoya. Mavi. Anderson. Too strong by Anderson. Still gone by Anderson. Anderson. Looking for Montoya. Montoya for three. Too strong. Liban by Lalaika. 6 minutes and 50.
Diretso na! Sige! Pwede!
Nice bait.
Sige na!
Block by De La Cruz. It's Anderson to short.
Kanila lang! Good job! Taas!
Now Anderson for three. Short again. 6 minutes and 20.
Diretso na doon.
It's turnover again by Arellano.
Hola. Okay.
Still by Boy Thunder. Now the Boy Thunder now. Boy Thunder. The Thunder Boy.
Tawakan na 5 minutes.
Lalaika.
Bye.
Yes, now 4-1. Goes to 28.
Arjelin.
5 minutes and 30. Short.
Dom!
Time out on JRU. It's 41 to 28. All by JRU. Aureliano.
Charge. Extra pass muna. Lipas muna kayo sa taas. Baka mapagati sa ilalim. Lipas muna kayo sa taas.
Forty-one 28.
Harap po, harap! Harap! Puro kayo na kayo ko, harap!
5 minutes, Montoya. Bang! On Montoya. Anderson. In and out. Now Thunderboy is fouled. Foul on Anderson. It's first on JRU. First personal foul on Anderson.
Aki.
Nice one! Nice yan, isa pa! Honor!
Whoa! Now 43 against the 31. Now Turner Boy. Mami de Pogi. Anderson, the shooter, short. Rebound on the Silva. Lalaika.
Dom! Kaya, Dom!
Pay.
Nice, Dom!
In and out. Rebound by Anderson. It's foul. Foul on De Silva. Second team foul on Aureliano.
Nice, Fabian.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Nice!
De La Cruz.
Sa labas, wala namang...
Short. Last touch on the Thunder Boy. Substitution of Sabrep.
Nice, Dom!
Short. Sergeant Primo. To Montoya. He's still on Lalaika. 3 minutes. Lalaika side set for not block by De La Cruz. He's that block on the legs. 14 to shoot.
Tira na, Dom!
Nice defense on De La Cruz. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Substitution of Sub.
Nagdala sa duha.
Carry the way.
Shot! 8 seconds!
5 to shoot.
Tira na, Dom! Baba!
Nawalak. Drive, looking for the Thunder Boy. In and out by the Thunder Boy. Lalaika rebound. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Lalaika.
Fabian! Go, down!
Still again on the Thunder Boy. It's the Thunder Boy time. The Thunder Boy looking for De La Cruz. Foul. Time out. On Aureliano. Foul on Lalaika's third team foul against Aureliano.
Boy! Nice game. Kaya.
2 minutes.
Don't forget.
Saya malangin sa oras. Sa picture dapat.
Wala naman kung magagawa ko papatay mo.
Hindi, makausap ko mabait.
Oo.
2 minutes and 10. 32, 43. Now, 33 point lead, 10 point lead ng Arellano. Ilalayka.
Diretso na, Ar! Isa pa!
Top. It's Mavi. Alak. It's the Thunder Boy. What a move coming from Thunder Boy.
Tira na, Dong!
Bang! 45-36. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Sino ka siya?
Baba!
29.
14 to shoot. Mavi the Pogi. Bang, bang, bang! On Mavi the Pogi. De Silva. Top. Short. Top again. Now Sergeant Primo. Thunder Boy all alone on Thunder Boy. 41-45. It's 4-point lead. On Jay Arellano. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz. Second team foul on JIU.
De La Cruz second.
Second personal foul on De La Cruz. 39 seconds, 39. Ilalayka. De Silva. Back to Ilalayka. Nice fake. Can to shoot.
Nice, Dong!
Rebound on Sergeant Primo. 20 seconds. Primo. Looking for the Thunder Boy. Alak. Short. 10 seconds. Five. And over third quarter score 45-41. It's 4-point lead on Arellano. Fourth quarter ready, rep, fourth quarter. It's Arellano ball, Arellano. Last quarter, last.
Pasok, sir, pasok. Para sa inyo? Kain tayo? Sa inyo?
Bago na medyo parang kinakapag.
Kakain lang?
Ha?
Kain lang.
Support na yan?
Last quarter. Pascua. Skate. Too strong. Rebound. Now Crooks intercepted by Crooks. Now 1-1 by Crooks looking for Alak. Steal Ordoño. Ordoño. Alak. Looking for Crooks. Now Borja. Canyola. Short. Rebound by Alak. Nice bell. Nice defense on Pascua. It's 45-41. Only 4-point lead on Arellano.
Yan na nagkasi Gonzalo.
Alak. Pilar ka? Back to Alak. Alak, drive. Alak, 10 to shoot.
Shooter.
Short. 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Shooter. Bang bong.
And short. Rebound on Pascua.
Ay.
Escobar is there. Escobar. Looking for Pilar ka? Ang Pilarca, 3-on-3. Pilarca drive, Pilarca. It's offensive foul on Pilarca. Sa dito sila, stop. 7 minutes. Stop. First on Pilarca. First team foul on JRU. Fourteen to shoot. Top. Castillo. Hinto. Black. It's the top 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. 4 seconds to shoot. JRU ball, 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Now Alak to Anderson. 6 minutes. Alak again. Alak for 3. Bang! Oh, Alak. It's 45-44. 1 point lead Arellano. Rebound on Castillo.
Ba't ganyan ka lang, Gonzaga?
Bakasyon ako galing.
In and out. Rebound on Gonzaga. Oh, God.
Grabe, ako talaga nag-rebound. Bigay, uy!
5 minutes and 20.
Nice.
Rebound.
Baba!
Sub left. It's only 1 point lead now, Arellano. 5 minutes. Sub left. Naborja. Working to shoot. Pinto is foul. Foul on Mamilapogi. Second team foul on JRU. First on Mamilapogi. Stop.
Okay. Kaway.
10 to shoot. Mora, 5 to shoot. Whoa! It's Mora. 47-44. It's 3 point lead now, Arellano. Whoa! What a play! 46-47. It's back to 1 point lead. Oh, Arellano. It's foul. Foul on Alak. It's second team foul, third team foul on JRU. It's 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Substitution left down. Second personal foul on Alak. Rebound on La Cruz. Anderson. 2-on-2. Drive. Move. Anderson. It's 48-47. 1 point lead now. Arellano. Hinto. Is foul. Foul on Alak. It's second personal foul. Alak. Warning for penalty in JRU. 2 free throw shot. Pahinto.
Dito.
48 all.
Balik!
Now De La Cruz again. De La Cruz is steal. It's a ball. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. 14 na set clock, 40. Mami na Pogi. Short. It's penalty rep. Yes, up, pasok.
Ganun na, mag-10 na.
Palitan mo rep.
na lang, 2 minutes and 18.
Pag-50 na. 2 minutes pa.
Penalty now, JRU and penalty.
Mauna na rin ako. Mauna na ako. Nintay ko na Arch.
Huwag ka na umalis pa ka.
Sayel.
Hindi na, kayo na naman mag-ano.
Hindi nga, pagkuhan na lang.
Oo.
Tapos picture. Tingnan mo na pagkatapos ng picture. Pwede ka naman.
Tap. Rebound. 14 na set sa clock. In and out. Malyari. Tap again. It's now Thunderboy. 2 minutes. Mabi na Pogi. Foul. It's first team foul on Arellano. Tap rep sub. First team foul against Arellano. First on Nindo. 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Yan na.
Time out rep. Time out on JIU.
Boy! Uy, box zone, tulak. Boy! Penalty ba, Zach? Penalty.
Okay, kayo. 1 pa lang sila.
One game rep. Ball game. One minute and 48 seconds.
Teka na.
Successful naman sa trap.
1 minute.
Dating naman ko dito.
Tira, pasok!
Bang! Basket count on 1. On Mami. Foul on number 16. Second team foul. On Arellano. 2 free throws. 1 bonus throw against Mami na Pogi.
Chad! Dito ka. Dito ka. Isa ka lang dito nila. Pwede, tama dito. Isa dito. Tapos, pre, wag ka bumaba. Dito ka lang, abang ka lang. Masyado mababa. Yan. Pare, dito ka. Masyadong malalim yan. Hindi, tama lang yan.
Now 51-48. 3-point lead on JIU.
Guys! Dito ka, guys.
Foul. Penalty. Foul on Anderson. Warning on number 11 on Anderson for successive complaining. Third team foul on Anderson. 1 minute and 18 seconds.
Sub kami, ha?
Basket substitution net. Basket sub. Rebound on Sergeant Primo. And the Thunderboy. Sub-rep. 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Darwin!
Or to shoot. 1 minute.
Darwin, gilid!
10 to shoot. Time to shoot. Lag on De La Cruz. He six back of the lane. Anderson. Yes, time out. On Arellano. Time out left. Time out left. Time out. Time out on Arellano. 40. 46 seconds. 46. Last 46 seconds.
Oras tayo, oras! Walang pa! Alis tayo.
Ilan tayo, Kim? One stop ulit, oh.
46 seconds.
Labas na! Prince! Labas, Prince!
Time to shoot. Too strong. Oh, rebound on Sergeant Rio. 30 seconds. Foul. It's 25 seconds. Third team foul on Arellano. 25 seconds. 25. $25 seconds. 25.
Gamit oras!
25 seconds.
Sige! Labas ba?
16 seconds. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Warning for penalty Arellano. Warning. 12 seconds.
Dikit na, dinaan na tao, eh.
12 seconds. Melinda, 12 seconds. Warning for penalty.
Haras! Haras, Darwin! Dikit! One shot again, ha? One shot!
12 seconds. 12.
Darwin, bantuman, Darwin!
Matuman. Nice foul.
11 seconds. Penalty rep. Penalty. Both teams on penalty. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 54 against 50. 10 seconds.
Hoy, basket, ha? Tapos mo!
6 seconds. 6. Penalty rep. Penalty. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6. Now 55-50. 6 seconds. And a Malagay, our winner is there.